Hello, I am the uppercase letter B, and now you're going to practice how to write me. So let's go. But before, let's see. I am letter B for B. Great. Now grab your pencil. Let's go. And let's go with a straight line down to the bottom and go back to the top. A small curved line and another small curved line to make the bottom. Great. Now the one straight line down and back to the top, a curved line, small head, and now a big tummy. Great. Back to the top, another straight line down, a small head, and a big tummy. Great. Perfect. Now you trace yours. Straight line down, back to the top, small head, and a big tummy. Great job. Another one. Down, small head, and a big tummy. Great. Perfect. See you.